Hi, welcome back to All About the Alternative. I'm the Gadget Lady. Today I am doing a gadget which is going to for keeping you warm in these winter times. I know I did some videos about earlier in the year actually showing some winter items, and some of those were all together in one video. I've decided I'm actually going to do most of these videos in one video for each object, because then if somebody's searching for the item, they can see it and they can look for it that way and not have to go through several different items to do that. Today I'm doing a gadget, like I said, for keeping you warm, and this is heated gloves. So it can, whatever you're doing, if you're outside or you just need to keep your hands warm, you can actually keep yourself warm that way. And so this is these heated gloves are actually from Amazon. So I will put a link in the description for this as well. And so these ones here. So it comes with, just to show here, I'm going to do this as an unboxing. It comes with the gloves. So I can take them out of here and show you the gloves. It comes with a charging cable. Obviously you have to take out the cable. Take out that. These things everything comes with a plug. But as I said before, I don't like proprietary plugs. This is great because it's USB-C. It also comes with a plug as well, which a lot of things don't come with the plug, but this one does. Okay, this one comes with a USB plug as well, and you just plug it into your wall outlet, and you can charge them anywhere, or you can even put them into your computer to charge. You can put them into a power bank to charge, and and they'll be very easy to charge them that way. So it comes with some instructions as well. So when you have these gloves, they're actually only the fingerless, the fingertipless gloves. You can see that in the camera there. They have the fingerless gloves. You open them up. They have a Velcro on them, and we've learned actually this Velcro is actually a very strong Velcro. So it's a very strong Velcro. You open it up like that, and you put it on your hands. Oh, this one goes this way. Put on the right one. Okay, and it stays very secure. If you just need to be able to take them on and off in a hurry, though, I've actually tucked it in and just tucked the Velcro piece inside. But it's, like I said, it is very strong still Velcro, so it can catch on to things, so just be careful of that. It has a little tab on the top for each one, so all you have to do is just pull it off, and it helps you pull it off. And so you can put them on. And put them on like that. And it has the power on them. Okay, so you just press the button and it turns them on. They heat up very fast, actually. Even just putting it on just now, I'm already feeling the heat. There is a pad on the top for heat, and there's a pad on the bottom for heat. And as we've discovered, we have two pairs of these, one for my husband and one for myself. For some reason, the one on the right seems to not be as hot as we thought. It wasn't as hot. And it's discovered if you move over the pad a little bit, it actually, the pad just seems to be maybe slightly off. Once you move it into place, you should be fine. And it's really good if you're using these and you maybe put your hands together, and if you put pressure on them, actually brings out the heat more than just being regular, just walking around with them. So also if you're driving, it's really nice to be on the steering wheel. You're holding the steering wheel. It actually, you don't need a heated steering wheel. These gloves do it for you. And And so that hopefully helps. It has two different settings. There is the hot, and then there's a little bit less, I guess a little cooler. So you can do that on both of them. When it's charging, the red light actually flashes. When it's finished charging, it's blue flashing. And so the charging is right inside there. The battery is hooked into here, so you don't have to change the battery or take the battery out. So it's inside, sewn in. It's supposed to last quite a long time, actually. If you leave them on for a length of time, they do shut off themselves after an hour. You just turn them back on again. So that's actually a fail-safe just in case you leave them on and forget. They'll shut themselves off after an hour. So that's actually really helpful. When you do plug them in, so when you're plugging them in, it's not from this end, it's actually from this end. And as they're charging, for some reason it does get hot. So just expect that it will get hot for a little bit as you're charging them. So it goes on like this. You plug it into your power source and let them charge. It does take several hours for them to charge. They also last maybe about 3 to 4 hours before they stop working. And you just charge them up again and away you go. And so hopefully if you're looking for these type of gloves, this is actually an easy way to use them. And so it'll keep you nice and hot and help you out. Hopefully that you can give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And if you have any comments below and you'd like some information about them or any questions, let me know. And have a great day, everybody.